Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Renee, and hopefully you've been here before, but if not, my site is called Kudos Kitchen. So today I thought I would show you my Christmas decorations for this year. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of my living room, my desk area, and dining room and kitchen. So I've done it before, but it wasn't decorated for Christmas, and since we're really not having guests for Christmas this year, I figure what's the point? I might as well show it off. So I hope you enjoy this quick tour. And if you do like it, please give me a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing. And mostly I do share like recipe videos on this site, but every so often I like to do something different. So here is something different. I'm gonna turn the camera around. This is my view from my desk where I work every single day, writing recipes and doing editing and all sorts of fun stuff like that. My blog is kudoskitchenbyrenee.com if you want to check it out and go see some of my recipes. I hope you do, because they are quite good. I'm very proud of that site. But anyways, here's my desk, and I'll do a full tour, but I'm sitting right now at my desk, and I'll turn around so I can get up. Okay, don't want to make you sick, nauseous by moving too quickly. So over here next to my desk, well, actually on the floor next to my desk, that's Nellie. She spends most days sleeping right by me, which is really nice. She's 15 years old. She's a good girl. Anyways, here's a little full fireplace, two full fireplaces actually, but I wanted to show this. I'm so pleased with this purchase. This little Swiss village, I got it from Balsam Hill this year, and I just think it's so charming. Look at those little skaters going around and around, so I just love them. You'll notice I am pretty much traditional in my Christmas decoration style. I like that. I like red and green. Normally I wouldn't go for red and green as a combo, but at Christmas I don't think it can be beat. So this is Penny's bed and her crate. She doesn't spend too much time in there, but she does like it. And another little full fireplace. It gives off heat, which is really nice. And speaking of Penny, there she is. She spends a lot of time looking out the window. Hi, Penny. She's a good girl too. So it's a lot of fun having, as you all know, dogs at Christmas. So here's the couch and the decorations. This year I'm donating a lot of things to Vietnam vets for them, because I have certain things that I put up every year and certain things I've decided that I no longer need or maybe want. So yeah, I got a box going of donations, but the things that made it out are the things that I really enjoy. And here's another view of the Christmas tree, which I think is really pretty this year. I wanted to do ribbons. We had gone to the Biltmore Estate, I should say, and I was inspired by all their beautiful Christmas trees. So I put ribbons on it. I don't know, hopefully you can see, but I kind of tried to keep a red, green, and gold, white, silver theme. And there's my desk. I love having it right in front of my desk. So we travel around here, and I'm super excited to show you what came in the mail yesterday. Some of you know I've been doing miniatures, little room setups. And actually, I'm going to back up. The little room setups after the holidays are going to go in these cubbies, the shelves by my desk. So I've been making little room, like vignettes. And I have one done. I have a patisserie that I'm going to do. I have almost all the pieces for that. And then the one I'm really excited about is the music room, which I'll show you the items that came yesterday, and they're so darn cute. Oh my gosh. Wait till you see. Look, you guys. Oh my goodness. Now they're sitting on what I bought for the wallpaper. So it's going to be three walls and then a floor, which I haven't gotten the floor paper yet. But look at this piano. It's so lifelike. I can't even. And there's also a violin, and it comes out of the case. And look at how adorable. I mean, seriously, guys. Is that not the cutest thing? And of course, a fireplace I have, and a Victorian sofa, and an armoire. And I don't know what else I'm going to put in that room. I'm going to wait and see how it all comes together before I start buying other things. But I've been having such a good time doing these little vignettes. So that's going to be the music room. Yay! And then the kitchen table. Over here there's always food items sitting out. These are going to be some recipes I'll be working on for my blog and for YouTube videos. So there's that. And then I'll spin around quick with, hopefully without making you ill, some camera equipment, which you've seen before if you've been here. And then today I'm going to be working on a video for peanut butter and jelly overnight oatmeal. I don't know if I'm going to do it overnight, but it's going to be a peanut butter and jelly oatmeal. And yesterday I filmed this. It's an anise star cookie. My husband's grandma used to always make anise cookies. He's got really fun memories of that. So I did make that yesterday, and I also made this rice Cocoa Krispies peppermint bark. So I have to still take the beauty shots of these two items. And that'll happen later today. But here's the ingredients for the oatmeal. And there's my lighting set up. Not professional, but it gets the job done. So let me quick show. Oh, I like how I, sorry, I don't mean to sound weird about that, but I like how I did the chandelier over the table this year. I just think that's pretty. And one of my favorite things, last year I bought some artwork, Christmas artwork for the walls. And I don't know if you can see, but this one here is dogs. Could you tell I like dogs? I love dogs. Anyways, dogs looking up at Santa in the sky in his sleigh. I just think that's too cute. So swing around here, another view. Hope it's not boring, but I love my home all decked out in Christmas. I didn't do too much over here because Julia pretty much speaks for herself. So we'll just quickly go into the kitchen and just do a quick wrap around. Not too much else. I mean, I like the bows, of course. And then some Christmassy pots. Not pots. Pots aren't Christmassy, but a few decorations there. And here we wrap right around again to the front door. Another Christmas artwork. There's another Christmas artwork. There's Nellie. And you can see I made the complete circle. Oh yeah, up here's another Christmas piece that I bought last year. And then one last thing I'll show you. That's got nothing to do with Christmas, but those, of course, that's Penny on the right, Nellie in the middle, and Ivy and Nutmeg, who I love and miss dearly, on both sides of Nellie. And then last but not least, I'll show you what I still have left. I haven't shown you the downstairs because that is a work in progress. I still have items to put out if I get to it, great, and if I don't, that's okay too. I'll just decide what else I'm going to donate, which is fine. But there's a quick view of the downstairs, which is nice, but I like my upstairs. I spend most of my time up here. So another quick whip around, and I guess that's it. I hope it wasn't boring. Let me turn the camera around. So I guess that's about it, really. I just wanted to come in and say hi, guys, and thank you so much for watching my videos when I do put them out, and for visiting my blog. If you do that, I appreciate it more than you know. So again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more tours of my home, maybe the outdoors, which is a nice we deck up pretty good for Christmas outdoors as well. So I'd love to hear if you'd like to see that, or, share with me whatever you want, ask me questions. I'm more than happy to answer and get back to you. So anyways, I hope you all have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.